We are pleased to show you the 2020 Odyssey. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.